over and over we have heard that housing and addressing homelessness is the greatest need in our community. Rent eats first. We know if people cannot be housed stably and safely and securely, they're not able to address their healthcare needs.
Housing is a priority for people in our community. It's a big influencer on people's health. That's why as a healthcare organization we're so interested in it. Traditionally we've seen housing security as a problem for a subset of our population. There's been groups that have had a hard time finding housing that they can afford, but now we're seeing it in our nurses, even physicians saying, I'm having a hard time finding a house that I can afford in the Treasure Valley.
We had a couple of meetings with the Nampa School District and with Saint Alphonsus Health System to talk about how we might be able to create a community that could help some of those folks.
The Nampa School District actually has the highest number of students and families experiencing homelessness in the state. And because of that, we were really interested in a project in the Nampa area that could help these students and these families, in addition to a broader reach of community members who needed affordable housing. The housing company was willing to set aside 15 units in this 80-unit development specifically for students and families from the Nampa School District who are experiencing homelessness. And that to us was the real big win.
We're always striving to find affordable housing for our families and students that are experiencing homelessness. We typically have anywhere between 900 to 1,200 students within our school district that qualified as homeless under the McKinney-Vento Education Act. So they're coming to school, but they don't know where they're going to stay when they get out of school. They don't know what they're going to eat when they get out of school. So how do we help get sustainable housing for those families?
There's a demand for over 2,000 units in Canyon County, and so this is going to fill a critical need. The rents here are not subsidized. The property is built with housing tax credits, which provides some of the equity that we need to be able to charge those affordable rents.
We really want to support our community and those partnerships and our families so that we can bridge the gap between the community, the schools, and the home.
It's not going to happen on its own. It takes intentional work by many partners to come together to find a way to give people access.